The Linux system's heart is a hidden powerhouse that works behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. The kernel is the central component that manages and controls every operation in the system. It's like a conductor guiding each instrument to create harmony. Imagine a vibrant city teeming with energy and bustling activity. Who ensures that the city functions efficiently? The mayor, of course. The mayor is responsible for making important decisions about resource allocation, task execution, and maintaining order. Similarly, the Linux kernel is the mayor of your system, making sure everything runs as it should. Just like a city would descend into chaos without its mayor, the Linux system heavily relies on its kernel. Without it, the system would be in chaos. Let's explore the core of Linux and uncover its secrets together. Imagine the Linux kernel as a charismatic leader, constantly communicating and interacting with the software and hardware in your system. This leader has two main roles: working with software and working with hardware. In the world of software, the kernel can be likened to a dedicated manager who is responsible for managing tasks and allocating resources. Imagine a bustling office with numerous projects in progress. The manager, or in our case, the kernel, delegates tasks to the team members, provides them with the necessary tools, and keeps tabs on their progress. In computing terms, this implies that the kernel is responsible for managing task scheduling, memory, and system calls. The kernel plays a crucial role in enabling communication between software and hardware. It works as a bridge that connects these two components, allowing them to interact effectively. You can think of the kernel as a skilled translator who understands both the software and hardware languages. In the realm of computing, software communicates in high-level languages that are filled with abstract concepts, while hardware communicates in low-level languages that deal with binary codes. Whenever software needs to perform a task, it sends a request to the kernel. The kernel, which understands both languages, translates the request into a language that the hardware can comprehend. Imagine you have a document that you want to save on your computer. When you tell the software to save the document, it sends a request to the kernel, which acts as a mediator between the software and the computer hardware. The kernel translates the request into a series of operations that the hard drive can execute. In other words, it's like an ambassador between two countries with different languages and cultures, helping them communicate and understand each other. Our kernel leader is not only responsible for making important decisions, but also for ensuring smooth communication within the system. It's a complex and essential role, and the kernel fulfills it with precision and efficiency, ensuring that everything in your Linux system works together seamlessly. You may be wondering why it's important to understand the Linux kernel. Well, let's find out. Understanding the kernel is like having the keys to your city. You can optimize your system's performance, increase efficiency, and customize settings for specific needs. As a city mayor, understanding traffic patterns, roads, and the needs of the people is crucial for the smooth running of the city. The kernel is like a city, with processes as citizens and system resources as infrastructure, and the same applies to Linux. Understanding the kernel enables efficient troubleshooting. You know how to identify and fix issues, like finding a faster route to avoid traffic. It's important to have a good grasp of the kernel, as it can enable you to make the most out of your system resources. You can optimize your system's performance by improving its infrastructure, similar to planning a city to avoid traffic congestion. Finally, the kernel provides you with the ability to customize your system according to your preferences. You can create a customized system to meet your specific needs, just like designing a city to cater to its residents. Understanding the kernel is like having a map to your Linux system, helping you navigate and optimize it. Let's witness the kernel leader's efficiency in managing system resources. It is the unsung hero that ensures smooth operation of your device. The maestro conducts the symphony of communication between hardware and software. Having a good understanding of the kernel can help you appreciate the elegance of Linux at a deeper level. Next time you use your Linux system, remember the hard-working kernel leader behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.